सब्सक्राइब करें, प्रेस करें बेल आइकॉन और पाएं मुंबई, नवी मुंबई एवं बॉलीवुड की ताजा तरीन खबरें।
The COVID-19 pandemic continues to surge in India, with the total number of cases now crossing the 110,000 mark. The death toll stands at 3,583. Maharashtra is the worst affected state by COVID-19 pandemic in India. Over 2,000 people tested positive in the last 24 hours. The coronavirus cases in the state rose to 37,136, with fatalities rising to 1,454, which is highest in India. Mumbai alone accounted for over 21,000 COVID-19 cases. As many as 278 police personnel in Maharashtra have tested positive for COVID-19, taking the tally of positive cases in Maharashtra police to 1,666. Uttar Pradesh is facing a new wave of infections as the number of cases surged past 5,500. As many as 688 people tested positive for COVID-19 in Tamil Nadu, bringing the coronavirus tally to 12,448. Tamil Nadu government permits operation of rickshaws across the state, excluding Greater Chennai, being applicable only to non-containment zones with time limits between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Delhi saw a surge in COVID-19 count after the state added 500 fresh cases on Monday. The total number of coronavirus cases in the national capital stood at 10,554. Gujarat witnessed the biggest spike in COVID-19 count as the state recorded 395 cases in last 24 hours. The number of coronavirus patients increased to 12,140. The number of deaths zoomed to 719 in the state. The Bombay High Court on Friday stated that the Mumbai Civic Corporation has power to designate any cemetery or burial ground for disposal of bodies of COVID-19 victims, as no evidence shows COVID-19 spreads through corpses. As per the Aviation Ministry, airlines are allowed to sell 40% seats below Rs 6,700. The government has fixed minimum and maximum fares effective till 11:59 p.m. on August 24 for domestic flights that will resume from Monday. With the lockdown being extended, RBI cuts interest rates, extends loan moratorium by another 3 months. RBI Chief Shaktikanta Das says India's GDP growth will be in negative territory in 2020 to 2021 as the outbreak of COVID-19 has disrupted economic activities. While Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan advised physical distancing is the most potent social vaccine to fight against coronavirus infection, he also informed that India has increased its testing capacity to 1 lakh tests per day, with at least 373 government laboratories and 152 private laboratories being functional in the country. On the brighter side, the recovery rate has improved. At least 39% of the total coronavirus patients, 42,298 people, have so far been cured from the disease. On the international front, US President Donald Trump says will order the US flag to be flown at half-mast over the next 3 days as the death toll from COVID-19 approaches 1 lakh. Guatemala blasts Trump over US deportations of migrants infected with coronavirus. The economic crisis caused by the pandemic has left an extra 11.5 million people unemployed in Latin America. UK sets out quarantine measures for international arrivals. China warns of countermeasures, says will not accept any unwarranted lawsuit or demand for compensation from the US over its handling of the coronavirus pandemic. For the first time in decades, China took the rare move of not setting an annual growth target this year after the coronavirus battered the world's second largest economy and ravaged global growth. Bureau Report, NMTV News.